Hi guys, welcome to your 27 tutorial on XHTML, and in this we want to look at span. Now a span is just a tag which we can add in just like I'm going to do now. SPAN, and we close it, and then the other side here we go and then close the bracket SPAN. So this is where we can directly affect this piece of text, the word enclosed, without affecting anything else. So let's go and try that here now. As I said, I like to tab it in. We put span, and then we go here and we go, let me see, what can we do with the span? Font stroke weight, and we put that in as, let's see, bold, okay, and we go then with a color dash red, okay. Now we close it off with a closing bracket here, and if we save this here now and we go and run and launch that in Firefox, we should come up with something very nice in the ministry. We'll just have to wait and see. Because as usual, Firefox is just slow to get going for some reason. But it's going to move me now. Here we go. This is the web page paragraph, and there we go. Enclose in p tags. So that's span. That shows you exactly what it's doing there. Now, just to say, we will change that to something else. We will put it in as pink. And if we save that again, that's just to show that it actually is working, guys. And if we go and refresh this, there you go, pink. Very light colour pink, but it's still pink, you know. It's still pink. So that's what a span does. There's another thing I want to maybe just talk a bit about in a minute, and that's going to be a div. Now, div is where we can put move an item around the page, okay? So if we go down here and we make a div, so it's just going to be div, close it, and then open, closing brackets, div, like this is a div, okay? And inside we put in here, I don't know, let me see, I love XHTML, and when I am finished, I will watch Code Matters HTML 5. Do you like that? Anyway, sure. Well, 15 it has here. HTML. Yeah, that's HTML. Yeah, that's right. Okay, here I'm ranting on. Now we don't put a div in here, okay? And now with a div is slightly different. We can do different things here. We can put, say, a border. Let me see. Make it big. 4 pixels. And we go for some solid blue. Okay. Then we can go for position on this, and I can say on this one absolute. I'm going to explain this now in a minute, because there's absolute and there's relative, right? We will give this a width, let's say 400 pixels, okay, and we'll give it, let me see, a top of 60 pixels, okay. So if I save this here now, if I go back in the browser, just close that window here for a minute and I refresh this, there we go. I love XHTML, blah blah blah. So that shows you what we have here. So there's a border, we have our widths, we have our HTML5 because we've reduced it down. I love HTML. When I finish this, now this is called absolute position, and there's also a thing called relative. The relative means is if it was meant to go here and it was code in the way, it would take that spot and move it down to here, you see. So if that's the absolute, say web was the absolute, but you had this line of code, you can go relative to that. So that would be the starting point, and I'm putting it down to a new location, okay. Very easy, very simple, but I'll do more about that in the next one with you. Excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. I'm going to clear him out. I'm going to close this one down, and I'm going to see you in the next one, okay? Take care, guys. Bye bye.